You're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. But all of the priors, this is showing that you are an habitual felon, which means you're looking at a minimum of 25 years in prison to life. You were a habitual felon 2 convictions ago, since 2018. So here we are. Yes. Announcement.
We can get about 4 weeks from so I can get something straight down on this. I don't, yeah.
It's not.
Yeah. We need more time to just help work out, get it resolved.
Okay, I'll reset it. 4 weeks, get it resetting. Have a seat right over here, please. Probation.
Not on the highlighted next one, please.
Let's put him in the penalty box. Thank you. Yeah, drugs in this arrest. You've tested positive for tetrahydrocannabinol marijuana. That is, it's a crime to imbibe and possess marijuana. It's in your system. It's going to affect your bond. You have a $50,000 bond and a GPS device right now. Is that right?
Yes.
Is that what I just?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, he's got a GPS device, right?
Right, yeah.
And, all right. Well, you've tested positive. It's a $50,000 bond. It is revoked. You are now $100,000. Plus, you must have a drug patch at all times as a condition of your bond.
Your Honor, I know he says not the THC. He says he hasn't used any products, but he does have a medical marijuana card. And he hasn't used any, but he has a card that allows him to do that medically. I mean, I know the court has a different feeling on that.
I do.
I understand that, but I'm just saying that this is something that they're medical.
I'm sorry. Your bond's revoked, period. It's the way it is. Drugs on my watch are not allowed.
I haven't smoked marijuana.
I don't care. They all say that. It's in your system, sir. Everybody says that. And don't you think if somebody would just say, I've never done this, can I go home now? It would be pretty simple, but that's not the way it works. We test. If it's in your system, shame on you. And I didn't grant it. I don't allow it. And that's the way it is. Y'all got to figure that out. His bond is revoked. And is it set? We said this for trial, right?
No, not yet, Your Honor. No.
Figure out what we're going to do.
We said.
The judge makes one thing crystal clear: science doesn't argue, and neither does the court. When a test comes back positive, explanations rarely matter. In the justice system, evidence like this often speaks louder than anything the defendant can say.
We had a reset for 4 weeks for announcement, Judge.
Okay.
You're greater than that.
You're taken into custody. Period. That's the way it is. Robert Chason, come on out.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can I retest? Your Honor,
I'm sorry.
That's fine. I promise.
Sir, everybody says that, but the tests are scientific and I rely on the scientific tests.
Yes, sir. I have a marijuana card, but I still haven't smoked.
Sir, you've tested positive for marijuana. I'm going to rely on the science. I'm going to rely on science. Sorry. But your lawyer's going to talk to you. There's some things we might be able to do.